India's Omicron tally on Saturday reached 1,431, with Maharashtra recording the highest cases at 454, followed by Delhi at 351, Tamil Nadu at 118, Gujarat at 115, and Kerala at 109. Meanwhile, the country reported more than 22,000 new coronavirus cases and 406 deaths in the last 24 hours. Active caseload currently stands at more than 104,000, while recovery rate currently is 98.32%. Several states across India reported a huge spike in COVID numbers on New Year's Eve. While Maharashtra reported fresh 8,000 plus cases of COVID-19, West Bengal and New Delhi reported more than 3,000 and more than 1,000 cases respectively. At least 12 pilgrims have died and over a dozen others injured in a stampede at Jammu and Kashmir's Mata Vaishno Devi shrine at around 3 a.m. on Saturday. 13 people have sustained serious injuries and are undergoing treatment at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital. They are reported to be in a critical condition. 8 of the deceased have been identified so far. According to sources, the stampede took place after a police resorted to mild lathicharge to control a huge rush of people at the Bhavan area. The sources added that more than 25,000 were allowed to leave Katra and proceed towards the holy shrine. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has now ordered a high-level inquiry headed by the Principal Secretary of Home and including ADGP Jammu into the incident. 5 former chiefs of the armed forces and a number of other prominent citizens, including bureaucrats, have written a letter to President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the recent incidents of hate speeches and urged them to take appropriate measures. In a letter, the group of over 100 people also referred to the communal comments made at an event in Haridwar recently and condemned in no uncertain terms such incitement to violence. We cannot allow such incitement to violence together with public expressions of hate, which not only constitute serious breaches of internal security, but which could also tear apart the social fabric of our nation, they said in the letter. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has alleged that central agencies are being misused to target the opposition and said he will approach the Election Commission and the President over the issue. After Samajwadi Party MLC and perfume baron Pushparad Jain was raided by the Income Tax Department, Party chief Akhilesh Yadav alleged that central agencies were being misused to target the opposition and said that he would approach the Election Commission and President Ramnath Kovind in this regard. I will write to the Election Commission and President of India about how central agencies are used to target opposition and making mockery of a democracy, he said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished joy and good health to people on the first day of the new year today. May we keep scaling new heights of progress and prosperity and work even harder to fulfill the dreams of our great freedom fighters, PM Modi said in his first tweet of 2022. PM Modi also shared a clip of the recent episode of his Mann Ki Baat, his monthly radio broadcast, in which he urged people to think big, dream big, and dedicate themselves to take the country to new heights of development and make 2022 a golden page in building New India.